Hey, what's happening, everybody? It is time for a tutorial in Ventriloquism. That's right. And today's guest is, where you at, bro?
Oh, I'm coming. I'm good idea.
Doronzo.
Oh, good.
Doronzo. As he's getting ready and prepared, for those who don't know, I am Dr. Gel. I hope all is well. Today's lesson in ventriloquism is all about the voice. If you have a character, the puppet of course, you gotta find a voice that is unique to that character. And number one, you gotta make sure it's different from your own regular speaking voice. That way, people can differentiate who's differentiate.
Yo, you need help, my girl? I got you. I could give you some kind of assistance.
I appreciate it, brother. Doronzo is here.
Differentiate.
Yes, differentiate. So the people listening can tell the difference on who's speaking at that given time.
Exactly.
You see, with Doronzo, I gave him the voice it's kind of muffled because of the things in his mouth.
What are you trying to say? I got stuff like
You know, right there, he got the aluminum foil.
It's not aluminum foil. It's not, it's like, silver and gold platinum.
That is not platinum, my friend.
Yeah, don't get hit, and it's all good in the hood.
Anyway, that's how, say here, man. This is how I decided that's how he's going to sound. A little bit muffled. He got to not so clear, a lisp. So basically give your character voice characteristics. You got a deep voice, give your character a high voice. You got a high voice, give your character a deep voice. Vice versa, squeaky, a dialect.
Maybe you can give your character an accent or some sort.
Yeah, something that makes him stand out. Based on his age, his personality, who he is. You dig?
Yeah, I dig right here. All good in the hood.
It sounds good to me.
Thank you so much, my brother. So if we get to go, I gotta go handle some business real quick.
Alright, peace out, man.
Alright,
Oh yeah, one more thing regarding the character's voice in ventriloquism. Choose a voice that is easy to execute. Like, for example, when I perform him, I can go, I don't gotta fish around. It's not a strain on my vocal cords or anything else. I can just go, pull out his voice, just like that. Doronzo,
hey, what's going on?
Cindy Hot Chocolate.
Huh? What are you doing here?
Clyde, oh my goodness. Santoko, that's like that. So, thanks for listening. Practice makes perfect. Yes, indeed. It is Dr. Gel. I hope all is well. Peace and love. Gel Town. Woo-wee. Before you go, make sure you like this video. Share it with somebody. Subscribe. Follow me on all of social media. And if you really want to get down with Gel Town, join my Patreon. It helps out the show. I appreciate you. A big shout out to Lisa DeWild. Alright? Amen to that. I'm out. Really, I am. Peace.